NotionCash.com. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. Well, this is another site exactly like SwagPay, Money Chaser, Payleaf, CloutPay, Money Rewards, Cashtree, Rain Money, CloutShare, CloutBucks, Cash OG, Paid for Clout, Referral Pay, and other sites that do the exact same thing. This was not an exact copy clone of these sites, but all those sites I just mentioned are very shady. They have fake testimonials and all kinds of stuff like that. This site, NotionCash.com, has fake testimonials from Fiverr actors. They said they've been around 3 years, and that is a flat out lie because their domain was registered in March 2019. So that's a flat out lie. On the terms of service page, if you read down, it's kind of funny because they have Cash Influencers Club mentioned in their site because they change the names of these sites all the time. So are they Notion Cash or are they Cash Influencer Club? Because Kids Influencer Club, I'm sorry. Kids Influencer Club is another scam site that was detected. So they just changed the name. They don't even bother to change, whatever. A lot of these sites, they'll use the exact same templates, websites, what have you. They won't change the text. So there's all kinds of names on their identity crisis, if you will, whatever you want to call it. So it's just stay away from this site. You're not going to make any money from it, and you're going to actually spend money on their offers and their task wall and stuff like that if you do these offers and things like that. If you want to learn how to make money online, I have hundreds of videos on my YouTube channel here, and I'm making, I'll have hundreds more in the years to come. So check out my other videos for legit ways to make money. Check out my #1 recommendation, the top link in the video description below. Check that out as well. Subscribe to the channel, folks. That is all for now. Don't waste your time on NotionCash.com. I will talk to you soon.